today we are shooting live from Atteridgeville in Pretoria West. As you can see behind me, it's a burning truck. This has been happening with the hashtag Tshwane Unrest. Residents are very angry that ANC has just announced that Thoko Didiza will be running as mayor for Tshwane. So they've been protesting since the morning. As you can see the truck behind me, the gentleman was trying to deliver bread from Albany to the mall that is right behind us. Stay tuned for more.
I'm a member of the National Executive Committee of ANC, together with the Provincial Chairperson, Ndade Paul Mashatile, and the Regional Chairperson, Hosien Zoramukhopa. We came here to Atteridgeville to listen to the community, as well as members of ANC. Leaders of ANC are elsewhere in Hammanskraal and also in Mamelodi, where we'll be going when we leave here. We have listened to the people, and we have promised them that ANC is a listening organization, but we have told them, because they told us in the meeting that they are members of ANC and they are not hooligans, and we told them to behave like members and not like hooligans. We told them that because then they will be listened to, and that was our message to them. And of course we promised them that we'll take this message to what they told us to the leadership. About 33 people spoke, all in the hall. We took all that they've said, we took their messages, and we'll take them and discuss them, and we'll see them later.
No, I think the message we're simply conveying is that the torching of buildings, destruction of assets, threatening life and limb is at variance with what the ANC represents. And it can't be done in the name of any ANC leader, including myself. It's an untenable situation, it's unacceptable. We must condemn that in the strongest possible terms. There's no amount of grievance or displeasure that can merit the kind of responses that we've seen in other parts of the city, including here. So that's the first message that we convey. The second one is to reiterate what is in fact our singular view and collective view as the REC, to firmly endorse the name of Comrade Thoko Didiza as the mayoral candidate for the city of Tshwane. I think it's important that that message comes through, that people have an appreciation of ANC processes, and the culmination of that process is what the National Executive has communicated to us. The leadership, higher structures, province and national, as Comrade Tswaledi indicated, listen to the grievances, and then they'll take them up with the relevant officials. But it was important that we reassert that message. We will not tire in reasserting the message that there must be calm, there must be tranquility, there must not be disruption to people's daily lives, and that a decision is here before us, and we will respect it as the leadership of the ANC, and not just respect it but also support it enthusiastically.